What's good, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. Yeah, I got an Apple Watch Nike edition GPS version. Didn't go with the LTE. I didn't really feel a need for it. At one point I thought about doing it, but at the same time I just figured there's never a time that I'm not without my phone, so I kind of like don't see the need for LTE. I was real close to getting the LTE one, but at the same time, me being a YouTuber and the way I change out my SIM cards and everything, I change them out quite a bit. So I didn't really want to have a actual watch married to a SIM card on a permanent basis, meaning that if I was to ever take my SIM card out of my iPhone XS Max and try to use it on another one, it would render the iWatch or the Apple Watch useless, and I would be paying for a bill while the new SIM card would have been in another phone, and I would have been paying a bill on a watch that would not be able to connect up to, for example, another Android phone if I was to take my SIM card out of the iPhone. So, I mean, hope that didn't sound too crazy, but if you understand what I'm talking about, cool. If you don't, well, oh well. Let me go ahead and get this unboxed, show it to you real quick. Great packaging. My first Apple Watch. Beautiful. Like the way it's set up. You get one box with the Apple Watch, another one with the band. And lift this up, where you're greeted with design for athletes by Apple and Nike. They put the actual Apple Watch in its own casing, which is a very nice casing. Keep it in pristine condition. Nice and beautiful. Let's check out what's inside the box. Pretty much a standard. If you feel like I'm kind of rushing through this, I kind of am, because again, everybody has seen hundreds of these unboxing, so I'm not really bringing anything new to the table, other than the fact that I am introducing you guys to the fact that I will be using an Apple Watch from time to time with my stuff. I do have a charging station and your standard Apple brick, and that pretty much does it as far as what you get inside of the actual box that has the watch in it. Real quick, pull this brick out. Does have some paper to it. Is boom. All right, let's get to the bands. I do got the silver one. Get the two bands, one for a smaller wrist size and one for a larger. Small to medium, and this one is for medium to large. Again, this is just a quick unboxing. I'm going to pair it up with my iPhone, and this is more or less the introduction. I don't know how many videos I'm going to do when it comes to following up on this. If you guys are interested, just leave that information down below in the comment section if you're interested in learning about different things about the Apple Watch. Other than that, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.